Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare Part A only. We'll cover who qualifies for premium-free Part A and the specific enrollment periods you need to know. You'll learn the straightforward steps to apply for just Part A, ensuring you get the hospital insurance you need without enrolling in other parts. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and confidently. To qualify for premium-free Part A, you generally need to have worked and paid Medicare taxes for at least 10 years. Your initial enrollment period is a 7-month window, starting 3 months before your 65th birthday, including your birthday month, and ending 3 months after. If you're still working and have employer coverage, a special enrollment period might allow you to delay without penalty. Applying for Medicare Part A is straightforward. The easiest way is often online through the Social Security Administration's website, which is quick and convenient. If you prefer a personal touch or have specific questions, you can visit your local Social Security office. Alternatively, you can call Social Security directly to complete your application over the phone. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember, enrolling in Part A alone does not exempt you from potential late enrollment penalties for Part B if you decide to add it later without qualifying for a special enrollment period. You absolutely can enroll in just Part A without signing up for Part B, Part C, or Part D. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.